Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure. Grab a drink and get comfy. Let's spend a little time exploring one of Utah's hidden mountain streams. I think that every creek is a little bit sacred. Water is life. Without it, none of us would be here. These little streams give life to everything around them. From the deer and cattle that come to drink, to insects beneath the surface, to the native trout that have called places like this home for thousands of years. That's why we're drawn to water. Long before there was a convenient way up this canyon, Ute families spent their summers here, hunting, fishing, and gathering food before returning to the valley below. Later settlers relied on this same creek to irrigate their farms, supply their homes, and eventually even generate hydroelectric power for their growing communities. For me, the real treasure of this creek is the Bonneville cutthroat trout. They're native to this watershed, descendants of fish that have lived in Utah since the days of ancient Lake Bonneville. Today, they share this creek with introduced rainbow trout, and together they created a hybrid species, the cutthroat, sporting both colors and spots from its parents. Every time I catch one of these fish, I'm reminded that I'm holding a living piece of history. That's why I keep coming back to places like this. Not just to catch fish, but to slow down. To explore. and to better understand the places that we call home. Thanks for coming along on another adventure. I'll see you on the next one.